Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to delete your YouTube channel on iPhone in 2023. Open up the YouTube app on your phone. Click on profile icon from the top right corner. Tap to manage your Google account. Go into data and privacy. Scroll down to download or delete your data. Click on the Delete a Google Service button. Enter your Google account password, then press Next. Now click on the Delete icon of YouTube. Choose I want to permanently delete my content option. Tick the check boxes and click on the Delete My Content button. Then type your email address and click on Delete My Content. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.